Did you know that some dogs can be a real risk to your kid's safety? Even though we love our pets, the truth is that certain breeds need special care. In this Carito video, we look at the breeds that experts say are the most challenging for homes with kids. Are you ready to find out the truth about dog safety? As good parents, we need to know which breeds might be a bit tricky. Facts and expert advice help us make smart choices. Remember to subscribe for more tips on family safety. Let's start our list. Let's start with pit bull type breeds like the American Pit Bull Terrier and the Staffordshire. Their history is tied to strength and toughness, which gives them a powerful bite and great determination. Even though a well-socialized pit bull is a great friend, this strength can be a problem in unexpected situations. Their hunting instinct can kick in with quick movements and yells from kids during play, which could lead to chasing or biting on impulse. Because of this, early training and professional help are super important to teach them how to control their biting and follow commands, making sure their natural loyalty shines through safely. Rottweilers are natural protectors with a strong urge to guard their family. This loyalty can make them wary of strangers, including your kids' friends. Their big size and strength can be too much for small children. A simple playful nudge can knock them over. The biggest risk is that they might misunderstand rough play from kids as a real threat, causing them to act protectively. So active adult supervision is a must at all times, along with training that makes the owner a clear and calm leader, teaching the dog to stay calm when visitors come over. German Shepherds are known for being smart, but this smartness needs an outlet. Without enough mental and physical activity, they can get anxious or destructive. They are naturally overprotective, and their herding instinct might make them correct running kids by nipping at their heels or bumping them. Even if they don't mean to, this behavior can scare or hurt a child. They need clear rules and training from when they are puppies, plus activities like scent games to keep their minds busy, which helps prevent accidents and uses their energy in a good way. Dobermans are loyal, full of energy, and super protective of their space. Often called Velcro dogs, they form very strong bonds, but this can mean they are always on guard. They might act defensively towards visitors or unknown kids if they think they are a threat. Their high energy needs lots of exercise and mental stimulation every day. Without enough ways to let out their energy, a bored Doberman can start doing destructive things like chewing on stuff. They need an active owner who can meet their physical and mental needs to keep them balanced and happy in a family setting. Chow Chows are known for being independent and private, often compared to cats. They usually don't like rough play or too much petting that small kids might offer. A big thing to know is that their deep-set eyes limit their side vision, so they might get scared and react defensively if someone touches them by surprise. They might bite if they feel trapped, so they prefer calm and predictable interactions, and it's super important to teach kids to respect their space and always approach them calmly and from the front. The Akita, from Japan, is a proud and strong dog with a strong hunting instinct. They are super loyal to their family, but this loyalty makes them wary of visitors and often aggressive with other dogs. Their hunting instinct can be triggered by sudden movements and chasing games from kids, which is a big risk. They are not a breed for first-time dog owners. They need expert handling and early ongoing training. Even with the best training, their bossy and territorial nature must always be managed with care and respect. Now the Siberian Husky. Their challenge isn't being mean, but their almost endless energy and mischievous smarts. Bred to run for miles, they need hours of exercise every day. Without it, they become destructive and are masters of escape, able to jump fences or dig tunnels. Their strong hunting instinct makes them a risk for smaller pets. Even though they are friendly, their wild nature and size can make them accidentally knock over small kids during play. They need a very active home and a yard that they can't escape from to be happy. Lastly, the Cane Corso, an impressive Italian Mastiff. As a natural guardian, it's confident and assertive. Without an owner who acts as a firm and steady leader, the Cane Corso can take charge, deciding for itself what or who is a threat. This is especially risky in a home with kids and their friends. Their huge size and strength demand respect and careful handling. This breed is better for an owner with experience with big, strong dogs, who can spend time on full training and getting them used to people. The key to living together safely is always watching and getting professional help. Watching means being really there, not just in the same room, because an accident can happen in seconds. The golden rule is, never leave small children alone with a dog, no matter its breed or personality. It's super important to make safe zones, a special spot for the dog where it can go to be left alone, and a play area for the child where the dog only goes if you're watching closely. Early training to get them used to people and things is key for any breed. Between 3 and 16 weeks, let your puppy experience new sounds, people, and places in a good way so it learns to stay calm. At the same time, get professional training from day one. A trainer who uses positive rewards will teach important commands like drop it or come, which are super important safety tools. Learn to spot signs of stress in dogs so you can act beforehand. Long before clear warnings, dogs show they're uncomfortable in small ways. Pay attention to these signs. They are whispers asking for space, long before clear warnings like ears back, a stiff tail, and growls, which you should never ignore. Teach your kids to respect pets' personal space with clear rules. Never bother the dog while it's eating, sleeping, or in its bed. Slow and gentle movements are always safer. Show them how to pet the back or chest, avoiding the head or tight hugs that can scare them. When choosing, think about breeds known for being gentle with kids. Labradors, golden retrievers, and beagles are safer choices because they are patient and playful. Smaller dogs, like the Bichon Frise or the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, can also be great friends if their space is respected. But always remember that a dog's own personality matters more than its breed. How it was raised, its past, and its energy are super important factors. That's why a shelter dog whose temper has been checked by pros can be a wonderful and safe choice, as long as its personality fits your family's lifestyle. At the end of the day, it's important to remember that the goal isn't to say any breed is bad, but to make smart choices. Every dog is unique. A breed's genes give us hints, but how a dog is raised, positive training, and early socialization are the things that really shape a dog's behavior and how well it can live with a family. And at the heart of those choices, our kids' safety must always be the top priority, no exceptions. Our job as parents is to make a safe and predictable home where both kids and pets can do well. This means having clear rules and always watching them closely. The good news is that, with the right preparation, many breeds can be wonderful friends. This means really trying. Teaching our kids how to be nice, showing them how to tell when a dog needs space, and spending time training our pet. Making safe zones at home is a key way to live together happily. Before bringing a new furry family member home, talking to experts is a step you can't skip. Talk to vets, get advice from certified dog trainers, and visit good shelters. They can give you expert and honest opinions, helping you figure out if a certain dog is right for your home. If this Carito video was helpful and made things clearer for you, we invite you to join our community. Subscribe so you don't miss future videos with tips for being a careful and safe parent. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so YouTube tells you every time we put out new stuff. A simple like from you helps us a lot, so this safety message can reach more parents who need it. We'd love to hear your story. Tell us in the comments what safety steps you take at home. Your story can inspire and help others. We also invite you to check out our other videos about child safety and being a good pet owner. Thanks for joining us and for trusting Carito for good family information. Together we can make homes safer. See you next time.